Hey there! Today we're going to talk about how you can use algebra to help you balance the budget. But before going ahead, we need to define what algebra is all about. What is algebra? Algebra is a financial plan that outlines an individual's or organization's expected income and expenses over a specific period of time. Have you ever had to figure out how much money you have left after paying for different things? Well, that's where solving equations come in to handle the situation. Let's imagine you have $280 for a month and you want to make sure you don't spend more than that. You decide to set aside some of the money for food, some for entertainment, and some for savings. You can use algebra to figure out how much you can spend on each category and still stay within your budget. That's the power of algebra. For example, if you want to spend, say, X dollars on food, Y dollars on entertainment, and Z dollars on savings, you can write an equation like this: X plus Y plus Z equals 280. This equation represents the total amount of money you have and how you plan to divide it up. Now, let's say you want to spend twice as much on food as on entertainment. You can write another equation as x equals 2y, or we say y is half of x. And you want to spend 4 as much on food than on entertainment, that is x equals 4z, that is z equals 1 quarter x. You see, you have food. You can, when you do this, you need to have a standard. Let food be the standard, the point where you take the other expenses from. And in this case, when you substitute the resulting equations from the original equations that you stated, you have something like x plus half x plus 1 quarter x equals 280. Now you have a linear equation in a single unknown. And solving this equation helps you come out with various amounts to be spent on the different categories based on your priorities. Now, if you do a perfect solving of this equation, you will have $160 spent on food, $80 spent on entertainment, and $40 spent on savings, respectively. Now you see, with the use of algebra, you can really see how your expenditure is very simple. Now let's get this simple exercise. Think about your own budget or a hypothetical budget for a month. Write down the equations that represents how you want to divide your money among different categories such as rent, groceries, entertainment, and savings. Solve the equations to find out how much you spend in each category while staying within your budget. By using algebra to solve these equations, you can make sure you are spending your money wisely and staying within your financial limits without any stress. So, next time you need to balance your budget, remember that algebra can be your best friend. So don't be afraid of it. Algebra can be your best friend to keep you out of unnecessary expenses. I hope this statement or this lesson helps show you how you can super use algebra in everyday life. Stay tuned for more on how to use algebra to budget or to stay within your budget. The best will be yours. Nice day.